There are many ways to make money online. Some of these methods are more passive, while others require more active participation. Here are some of the most popular ways to earn money online. Freelance work. There are many websites that connect freelancers with businesses and individuals who need their services. You can find freelance work in a variety of fields, including writing, editing, web design, programming, and customer service. Affiliate marketing. This is a commission-based business model where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale you generate. You can promote products or services through your website, blog, social media, or email list. Blogging. If you have a passion for a particular topic, you can start a blog and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. YouTube. You can create videos on YouTube and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling merchandise. E-commerce. You can start an online store and sell products or services. You can either sell your own products or products from other suppliers. Take surveys. There are many websites that pay you to take surveys. This is a relatively passive way to make money, but the earnings are typically low. Microtasking. This involves completing small tasks, such as transcribing audio, tagging images, or writing product descriptions. The earnings are typically very low, but you can do these tasks in your spare time. Online tutoring. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor and teach students from all over the world. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. This is a great way to make money if you have strong organizational and communication skills. Data entry. This involves entering data into a computer system. This is a relatively simple task that can be done from home. The amount of money you can make online will vary depending on the method you choose and how much time and effort you put into it. Some methods, such as blogging and e-commerce, can potentially generate a high income, but they require a significant investment of time and effort. Other methods, such as taking surveys and doing microtasks, can only generate a small income, but they are relatively passive and can be done in your spare time. No matter which method you choose, it is important to be realistic about your expectations. There is no get-rich-quick scheme when it comes to making money online. It takes time, effort, and perseverance to be successful. Here are some tips for increasing your chances of success in making money online. Choose a method that you are interested in and passionate about. This will make it more likely that you will stick with it and be successful. Do your research and find a reputable company or website to work with. There are many scams out there, so it is important to be careful. Be patient and persistent. It takes time to build a successful online business. Don't give up if you don't see results immediately. If you are willing to put in the time and effort, there are many ways to make money online. With a little research and planning, you can find a method that is right for you and start earning money today. Here are some additional tips that may help you make money online. Network with other people in your field. This is a great way to learn about new opportunities and get referrals. Stay up to date on the latest trends. The online world is constantly changing, so it is important to stay ahead of the curve. Be creative and innovative. There are many ways to make money online, so don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't give up. There will be setbacks along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Keep working hard and eventually you will achieve your goals. I hope this helps.